Hi, this is a quick tour to show you the latest Biowatch updates. So as a reminder, Biowatch is a desktop application that can work on local data and help you visualize and analyze camera trap datasets. So in this case, we have datasets from Luxembourg, where on the overview page, we can see the collaborators, the list of species, and the location of the deployment. Then on the activity tab, this is more about the spatio-temporal analysis. So I can select one or multiple species to compare them and see where they are spotted. And I can change which part of the year I want to analyze or which part of the day. On the media tab, here we focus on the actual pictures, and same thing, I can filter by species or by time of the year or by time of the day. And the deployment is a list of deployment. Nothing new here. Most of the work happened in the ad study and how we can import from different formats now. So we used to only support CamTrapDP, which is a standard format for camera trap datasets. So this still works. We also still have our demo dataset when you just want to quickly see how the application works. And now we have introduced wildlife insights. So if you have a wildlife insight project, you can export and then re-import in Biowatch, or a deep phone CSV, or even a JBIF dataset. So here I have the list of datasets that are compatible with Biowatch, and I can just select one, click, and it will quickly show what we've seen before. But most of the work happened in this one, where we can now directly import a directory of images or multiple directories, and we'll use AI model on device. So your images never leave your computer. Everything happens locally, and we'll use those AI model. Here we'll use Google SpeciesNet to detect and classify all the species from the pictures automatically. So we don't ship the application with the models directly, because this way the application is lighter. Not everyone will use the AI model, and you can also pick the one you want, and still pretty fast this way. So once my model is downloaded, I can go to Add Study, and this time I can actually select an image folder. I have one ready, which looks like this, where we have a lot of deployments, and for each deployment, which would be a camera, we have all the pictures inside. For this particular model, SpeciesNet, this is more precise if we say where the data is from, in that case, Kenya. And when we do that, the model will start right away going through the pictures. So you can see you have the progress. It says 3 hours remaining. We have 8,000 pictures, and it's going like 52 images per minute. I think it's a bit slow in that one. I'm not plugged in, but usually I'm more at 100 images per minute. And with GPU or more powerful computer, you can go to, not sure, on my other computer it's like 200 images per minute. But what's nice is that I can pause, I can quit the app. There could be a power shutdown. This would just gracefully pause, and I would be able to resume anyway when I want. So even if I quit the app, and it will pause, and then I will be able to resume and then start right away getting new images. And here you can see we are starting detecting and classifying pictures. So for example, let's say I want the blue monkey. Here I can select the entire area, and now I will start to see some those blue monkeys that have been detected. So we're quite happy with this new way, and how it's like a full pipeline where you can go directly from a folder of pictures to a full analysis. And here in the Files tab, you can see all the progress for everything, and you could even add new folders to this particular project. So here we have processed 1 folder, 2 folder, yeah, and you can track the progress here. And quite important, in the deployment tab, we will start detecting what we consider the deployment, and you can set up the latitude and longitude. So I don't have them now, but let's use fake. How did it work? Fake data, something like that. And once you start adding those, then you get access to the map. So in some data set, if the pictures have the EXIF data and the GPS coordinate, this will be done automatically. But in that case, it was a public data set, so the location were stripped, but you can also add them manually or modify them if the camera was wrong. It's always updated, and you only do that once, and it will be stored forever on this particular project. So yeah, that was really the update showing the new computer vision models features, and hopefully you can give it a go and tell us how it works for you.